Introducing TakeAscreen. Capture stunning screenshots with ease. Are you ready to capture beautiful screenshots right from your browser? Let me guide you through the simple steps of how TakeAscreen works. Step 1. Install the TakeAscreen extension. Installing TakeAscreen is as easy as adding an extension to your favorite browser. Step 2. Choose your capture option. Once the extension is installed, you'll have two options: capture the visible part of the page or select a specific area. Let's try selecting a particular area right now. Step 3. Welcome to the editing phase. You can take your screenshots to the next level by choosing from our library of 2D and 3D mockups. Add creative effects, like the ones I'm applying, and even annotate your screenshot. Feel free to customize the text color that suits your style. Step 4. Customize the background. Before you finalize your screenshot, consider setting a gradient background with colors that resonate with you. This adds an extra touch of elegance to your screenshot. Last step, download and share your masterpiece. And there you have it! With a click of the download button, your stunning screenshot is ready to tell your unique story. It's that simple. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your visuals. Click the download button now and bring your screenshots to life. Let your creativity shine with TakeAscreen.